For centuries, the Great Pyramids of Giza have stood as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their construction a mystery that has long captivated the world. How did an ancient civilization move millions of massive stone blocks? One theory suggests colossal external ramps, with legions of workers hauling stones skyward. Another, more recent idea proposes an internal spiral ramp, winding its way up from within the pyramid's core. Ingenious techniques, like wetting the sand to reduce friction for sledges, reveal the builders' profound understanding of physics. These were not slaves, but a skilled workforce of thousands living and working together to create a monument for their pharaoh. This monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and a wonder of the ancient world, continues to inspire awe and curiosity. From high above, the Great Pyramid of Giza reveals its secret. Notice its base aligned with near-perfect precision to the 4 cardinal points. A feat of ancient engineering. Venture inside. A hidden world of passages and chambers unfolds. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and a mysterious subterranean room carved from the bedrock below. Look up the magnificent Grand Gallery. Its towering corbelled walls ascend dramatically, a masterpiece of structural design leading to the pyramid's heart. Finally, see the narrow shafts pointing outwards from the King's Chamber. They are not for air, but are celestial channels, aligning with constellations to guide the pharaoh's soul to the stars. What if you could travel back in time and witness the construction of the Great Pyramids? In the sun-drenched quarries, we pound at granite with hard dolerite stones, our muscles straining to crack the massive blocks free. With copper chisels and wooden mallets, we then meticulously shape each limestone block, our focus absolute. Together, we haul the immense stones on wooden sleds, pouring water on the sand to ease their journey. Finally, with a great heave, we push and pull the blocks up the massive ramp, each one a testament to our collective strength. This is not just building a tomb, it is crafting an eternal legacy for our pharaoh. In the heart of the desert, the grand quarry buzzes with activity. Hundreds of workers, organized into efficient teams, extract colossal stone blocks from the earth. Down at the Nile, large wooden barges laden with granite are expertly navigated by crews toward the distant construction site. A vast system of mud brick ramps snakes up the side of the rising pyramid, where countless teams haul stones ever upward. This monumental collective effort, a symphony of human will, forever shaped the ancient world and continues to inspire us today. Have you ever marveled at the Great Pyramids and wondered how they were built? The answer lies in a logistical masterpiece of ancient engineering. Most of the limestone for the core structure was quarried right on the Giza Plateau, but the fine white casing stones were ferried across the Nile from nearby Tura. For the massive granite blocks inside, builders traveled 500 miles south to Aswan. These colossal stones were then transported down the Nile on immense barges. This intricate network of quarries and waterways all converged on Giza, showcasing the incredible planning of the ancient Egyptians. To build the pyramids, the ancient Egyptians turned the Nile into their superhighway. Giant granite blocks quarried in Aswan were loaded onto massive wooden barges. These vessels then embarked on a colossal 500-mile journey downriver. Arriving at Giza, thousands of workers would haul the stones from the docks. From here, the stones began their final ascent to their place in the sky. How do you build a boat strong enough to carry a mountain? For the ancient Egyptians, the answer began not in Egypt, but in the forests of Lebanon. Lacking large timber, they imported massive cedar logs. Workers then meticulously crafted the outer shell first, fitting thick planks together with precise joints, a vessel built from the outside in. A massive rope was then threaded through the hull and tightened. This created a powerful internal tension, a rope truss giving the barge its incredible strength. Finally, the finished masterpiece was launched, a testament to ingenuity, ready to transport monuments for the gods. For millennia, the Great Pyramid of Giza has guarded its secrets, but what lies within its hidden passages? Ancient architects built dead-end corridors and false doors, clever decoys to mislead any who dared to enter. Tiny robotic explorers have crawled up sealed shafts, finding mysterious doors with copper handles, blocking the way forward. Recently, cosmic ray imaging revealed a massive undiscovered space, the Big Void, sitting silently above the Grand Gallery. Its purpose remains unknown, reminding us that the pyramid has not yet given up all its secrets. The Great Pyramid of Giza, at its heart lies an empty sarcophagus, But what if this was all just a diversion? Infrared scans reveal a strange anomaly on the north face, suggesting a hidden corridor. Some theorize an internal ramp spirals upwards, leading past undiscovered antechambers to the true tomb. Others believe the Big Void is a passageway to a sealed chamber. Could the pharaoh's real treasure still be waiting? For every accepted fact about the Great Pyramid, a rival theory exists. Orthodox Egyptologists like Zahi Hawass argue the known chambers are all there is, with anomalies like the Big Void being simple construction features. Architect Jean-Pierre Houdin counters with his internal ramp theory, suggesting the real tomb is still hidden. The data-driven Scan Pyramids team, who found the void, remain cautious, admitting its function is unknown. The pyramid's secrets remain fiercely debated by passionate experts. An ancient hand-drawn map of the Giza Plateau slowly dissolves into a modern 3D scan. Where does the truth of the Great Pyramid lie? Is it hidden in the whispers of legend, or in the cold, hard lines of data? For centuries, the account of the historian Herodotus spoke of a secret vault under the pyramid, a chamber containing an island surrounded by water. But modern ground-penetrating radar scans of the bedrock reveal no such feature, replacing myth with solid fact. Later, the geographer Strabo described an original entrance on the pyramid's north face. Centuries later, thermal scans revealed a mysterious hotspot in that exact location, a clue hidden in plain sight. Where Colonel Weiss once used dynamite to blast his way into hidden chambers, the Scan Pyramids team used silent, non-invasive cosmic ray muons. Their reward was the discovery of the Big Void, a massive, previously unknown cavity. In the end, we see an old explorer's drawing next to a modern computer model of the void. It seems that science isn't just debunking legends, it's finally investigating the very secrets they've hinted at all along. Myths whispered for ages, now tested by science. What's real inside the Great Pyramid? Legend spoke of a water-filled vault beneath the pyramid. Modern scans show only solid bedrock. Explorers forced their way in, finding chambers they believed were the pyramid's only secrets. But cosmic ray scans revealed a massive, untouched void they missed entirely. Legends tell of a hidden hall of records containing ancient knowledge, and thermal scans have found unexplained heat spots, hinting at undiscovered cavities. Science dismisses some tales but uncovers new mysteries. The pyramid's greatest secrets may still be waiting. This is the Great Pyramid's king's chamber and its empty sarcophagus. But was Pharaoh Khufu ever even here? Unlike other royal tombs, which contain clear signs of burial even after being looted, this chamber is mysteriously pristine. More than ancient tombs, the pyramids are a living gift to modern Egypt. They are the heart of Egypt's tourism, providing livelihoods for millions and fueling the national economy. Beyond money, they bestow a deep sense of national pride and identity, a direct link to a glorious past. They inspire the future, driving new innovation in preservation and reminding the world of Egypt's enduring legacy. A gift from history that continues to shape Egypt's present and build its future.